and welcome to CryptoCoin.News.
And today on Altcoins this week. Tether in top 10 following $500 million coin mint. Whale movements causing Ethereum bother. Blockchain bond exceeds expectations, and judge bans crypto fraudster for life.
And let's start with news from the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, which has had its decision to permanently ban a crypto fraudster for life, upheld by a New York judge.
Patrick McDonald, the chief operator of Cabbage Tech, yes, Cabbage Tech was adjudged to have deprived large numbers of investors of funds using trickery, false statements, and misappropriation of funds.
So he has been ordered to pay over $1 million in restitution and penalties. McDonald was unrepresented and eventually stopped showing up for court dates.
And he was even absent for the verdict.
Moving on, the world's first blockchain-issued and managed bond has exceeded its target and raised $80 million.
Bond I is being arranged by the Commonwealth Bank of Australia and was launched by the World Bank.
Announcing the success, the World Bank said that Bond I is part of a broader strategic focus of the World Bank to harness the potential of disruptive technologies for development.
The bond was created by the CBA Blockchain Center of Excellence and is being managed on the Ethereum blockchain.
Coming up next, whale movements causing Ethereum bother.
Exactly. The recent decline in the value of Ethereum has been widely blamed on cash-strapped ICOs exchanging their Ether for fiat, but large investors may also be behind the descent, which has seen the crypto traded for amounts similar to this time last year.
California-based lawyer Zoe Dolan, who has been monitoring the Ethereum Genesis block, spotted that one Ethereum investor who purchased 314,000 Ether as part of the blockchain's ICO has moved a large portion of his stash onto the Bitfinex exchange in recent months.
The whale has been moving large sums over the past 3 months, roughly coinciding with the sharp decline in the crypto's value.
Bloomberg reported this week that Tether minted $500 million worth of new coins in August alone, but the surge in supply has done little to impact the crypto market.
Tether, which the CFTC believes was used to manipulate the price of Bitcoin last year, is now in the top 10 coins in terms of market cap on foot of the new release.
In previous times, a new release of Tether, or USDT as it is often called on crypto exchanges, has coincided with a bump in value for Bitcoin and, by default, other cryptocurrencies.
However, in August, Bitcoin lost almost 15% in value. Bloomberg reports that it is now harder to use stablecoins to pump and dump large cryptos such as Bitcoin, but smaller coins can still be manipulated quite easily by using Tether to drive up the price and then make a profit by dumping the artificially inflated coins.
Altcoins were reasonably steady this week, with the largest 5 coins looking set to see out August, having lost between 10 and 20% in value over the month as a whole. Ethereum opened on Thursday at $271 and failed to advance further than $283, which was its peak price on Saturday, seeing out Sunday in the mid-270s.
As for XRP, it opened on Thursday at 31.9 cents and came closest to passing 33 cents on Saturday, when it closed at 32.8 cents. Bitcoin Cash opened on Thursday at a lowly $519, and it moved between the 520s and 530s for the rest of the week, closing on Sunday back at $520.
EOS also opened low on Thursday at $4.73, but made up ground to trade for over $5 for a spell on Saturday before retreating back to $4.95 on Sunday. There was little drama for Stellar either, opening at 21.3 cents on Thursday, having spells above 22 cents on Friday and Saturday, before frantic but small movements on Sunday within the 21 cent and 22.5 cent range. And that's it for Altcoins this week. I'm Stamper Jagotsky.
And I'm Helen Moss.
Remember to subscribe.
Until next time.